My name is Dan Rood. I am the Senior Vice President of Marketing for ASAPP, a generative AI leader in the CX space. So Gen AI is impacting our industry pretty dramatically in that it's giving us opportunities to start automating customer service interactions that were previously not able to be automated. So it means potential reduction in the overall human capital with agents and the ability to really accelerate this idea of abbreviating customer pain. How do we shorten customer pain by resolving these issues that they have more dramatically and much faster? So there are a lot of misconceptions that we all have about generative AI. I think the biggest one, for me at least, is in the idea that generative AI automatically makes things better, versus what I try to tell customers is that it simply makes things different. And because it's a tool, whether it's a hammer or generative AI, it's only valuable if it solves more problems than it creates. So evaluating generative AI, not just simply as a thing that makes things better, but understand what makes things different and what those trade-offs are, is sometimes a misconception. So when we think about security and balancing security with the promise of generative AI, because we sell into large enterprises in B2B, it's a non-starter if you have a novel solution for generative AI, but you can't fulfill the promise of deep security in terms of protecting not only customer data, but also the knowledge management systems that we access internally to provide better customer support. So for us, it's not only a balance, it's a predicate to any sort of generative AI solution for many of our customers in the enterprise, is our ability to keep them secure and keep them resilient. AWS supports us in so many ways. The biggest for us is that it creates an environment of resiliency and scalability that, again, is a precursor for us to be imaginative in the solutions that we're giving to our customers. So that platform in which that we can build in safety and in a trustworthy environment is everything when it comes to building solutions on AWS. AWS helps ASAPP to be more imaginative, to be able to risk more in the solutions that we're giving to our customers because we can trust the infrastructure that we're built on.